Hi, my name is Vivian, and I want to bring you along with me while I plan out Act 1 of my second book on my board. This is going to be a short video, but I wanted to chat with you all while I do this. First, I already plotted the novel a while ago on my computer, so there is a digital footprint of it. For the Amberstone and the Dead Doctor book, it made such a difference mapping out the story on note cards on my wall. It helped me visualize the story. I could add or take things out if I needed to. I just wish I had taken the time to create it on the computer as well. Another lesson learned, one of many. If you're a plotter like me, do both if you can. Another reason I like making the Postit notes and arranging them on the board is because it helps me stay organized and keep track of the story. I believe it will also reduce how many rewrites I'll need to do. Well, this will be tested this time around. With the first book, it wasn't until the fourth draft that I could finish the book from cover to cover. I've kept that draft for all these years. This year marks 10 years. After that draft, that was when I decided to replot and use the note cards. The plot device that works for me is the 3-act structure. Act 1 includes the setup, which is the introduction of the main character and their environment, and the other main characters they will interact with. You want to establish a connection with the main character. It has to be an emotional connection. Sympathy, admiration, humor, or fear, etc. Set the character in motion. Put your main character in a situation where they are in action. It doesn't always have to be physical. It can be mental or emotional as well. If you can introduce your character in the midst of a conflict, kudos. That will really hook your audience. Typically, what I write on the note cards, Postit notes, are scenes or events, but also thoughts I have and questions I have about anything relating to the story. I have a full Plot Your Novel worksheet that you can download to organize your plot if you are interested. The link is in the description box below. You can put whatever helps you organize your plot and your thought process on your board. No one is going to see it, so tailor it to you. You can be as messy or as clean as you want with your board. The point is to find the process that works for you so that you can make progress and actually complete that book. After you establish the main character, their environment, their allies, and opponents, introduce the main conflict of the plot. What conflict does the main character have to resolve in the story? Is it possible to resolve it in Act 1? Usually, the main character will try to resolve it in Act 1 because their biggest desire is to stay in their normal world, but usually, the conflict is way bigger than what the hero thinks it is. Lastly, before you get to Act 2, there is the inciting incident. This is an event in which the main character cannot go back to their normal life and they are forced into the journey of the story, and that is really the only way they can solve the problem. Act 1 is now complete. Here is the board before, and here's the board after. In the comments below, tell me about your process. If you want the full 3-act structure breakdown, watch these videos here. How do you plot? Would you like me to go live and plot out Act 2 on my board? I would love to know. Let me know. See you later.